Bago tayo magsimula, ipapromote ko lang. Aking mga power bracelets, available po ito sa Shopee at sa TikTok. But most of my power bracelets are available sa Shopee. So, lahat po yan ako yung gumagawa. Meron tayong mga protection bracelets. So, this is a combination of fire agate and lucky red string, which I have been using for more than 4 years na. And then, meron tayong dalawang klase ng obsidian evil eye. We have the smaller version, which is the 6mm bead and the 8mm bead. This is good for warding off negative energies around you. And of course, yung mga evil eye. And then, we have the anti-evil eye bracelet. So, para to sa mga anti-inggit, ganyan, sa paligid nyo. And then, also, we have the selenite evil eye. So, the good thing about this is, multi-purpose na siya. Kini-cleanse na niya yung energies around you. And also, yung mga kasama niyang bracelets, cleansing and recharging as well. So, just like this one. Ayan. And then we have other bracelets for other intentions and manifestations. So meron tayong authentic malachite. This is for healing and also attraction of money and transformation. And marami pang iba. Meron din tayong chakra bracelet for balance. And we have the tiger's eye for courage. We have howlite for concentration and focus. We have rose quartz for attraction of love, self-love, and of course, amethyst for intuition, healing. Ayan. Lahat ng bracelet may kasama ng instruction leaflet, extra string, and a cute pouch. Ayan. Meron din ako mga bagong products sa aking shop. Ito yung Intention Oils. It comes with 2 sizes. Meron tayong dropper, which is 15 ml. Meron tayong roll-on na 5 ml. So, you can use this for manifestation ng prosperity and protection. So, while you are doing affirmations. And ito naman, you can, multi-purpose to, pwede mo rin itong gamitin when you are setting intentions. You can put this sa iyong candle if bago ka mag-set ng intention. So, this is for prosperity and protection na. Meron din akong spell jar for protection and prosperity. So, these are limited items lang kasi konti lang nagawa ko dahil lahat to ay chinarge ng super full moon nung full moon in Pisces. So now it is available. I think 5 to 7 pieces lang yung available for each. So lahat yan nasa aking Shopee. Link on the description. Thank you so much and happy shopping. Leo, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ay isang timeless monetary reading for you. So, pwede kayong mag-resonate nito sa past, sa present, or sa future. Okay, so panoorin nyo rin yung Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs ninyo para sa iba pang mensahe. Meron tayong video na nagpapaliwanag tungkol doon. Link on the description. And thank you so much po sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder that you have the power to create your own reality. So, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na ito bilang gabay. Okay, Leo, let's see. So, unahan muna natin yung inyong kaperahan. Your money, money, money. Your recent past. Oh, 9 of Wands. You've struggled. May struggle, no? Sa past, recent past. Pagdating sa finances, pwedeng meron kayong tinulungan or pinagkagastusan na pwedeng kamag-anak or pwedeng para sa sarili ninyo. But it seems na parang you've sacrificed something. Like you've sacrificed your money for that purpose. Let's see your current energy. Knight of Swords. I think when it comes to your money, medyo maingat ka rin ngayon pagdating sa pagsasabihan mo ng current situation mo when it comes to your finances. And I also see na medyo prangka ka ngayon pag merong taong nahingi ng tulong sa'yo or parang nagpaparamdam sa'yo na manlibre ka or magpautang ka, ganun. So, it seems like you are really being true, no? Kasi maaring you felt like na take advantage ka ng iba when it comes to your finances, sa pera. And ngayon, medyo may pagka-defensive ka. So, your near future. Page of Cups. There's a new idea or can be a new source of inspiration for you to create money, no? May be a creative pursuit na parang naisip mo na, pag ito ginawa ko, maaring maging masagana yung pagpasok ng pera. And some of you are also manifesting. You may be using different forms of divination or yung mga tools on how to manifest money sa buhay mo. So, let us see naman your career. How about sa career ng mga Leo recent past? Ace of Swords. So, recent past, it seems na may beginning, may new opportunity for you in the recent past. And I think you are learning something or meron kang clarity sa gusto mong mangyari when it comes to your career. And this can also mean a realization na gusto mong i-pursue ang isang career na ito, whatever this is. So, tingnan natin yung current situation ng iyong career. King of Cups. This is feminine energy. So, this is creative energy for you, Leo. I think, pagdating sa trabaho mo, sa career mo, mas nagiging ang tawag doon, devoted. Ayan, mas devoted ka sa career mo. Importante sa'yo na mahal mo yung ginagawa mo. Importante sa'yo na you really care about your career. At just in case na hindi yun yung nararamdaman mo ngayon, then possible that you are going to let go of this career para sa bago. Kasi kung mapansin mo, meron ditong, can be parang sa paningin ng iba or paningin mo, malaki tong career na meron ka ngayon. But it seems na hindi na siya nag-work for you, na pwedeng hindi ka na masaya. And you are looking to a new opportunity here na parang gusto mong bigyan ng chance, no? Itong trabaho na to or itong business na to. So that's why itong finances mo, you are like manifesting something new in your life. So tingnan natin yung near future for you, Leo, sa inyong career. Wow, 3 of Cups. This is collaboration, working with other people. This is also celebration. I see you connecting more with new friends, new connections, new colleagues. Pwedeng sa trabaho to na may mga bago kang katrabaho. May mga bago kang friends. And if you have a business, you might be working with some friends para sa business na yan in the near future. So, let us see kung ano ang advice for you. Ano yung advice sa mga Leo sa kanilang money career? Page of Swords. So, keep on learning, be curious. Kung may mga bagay na gusto mong alamin, na you feel like hindi ka pa satisfied sa kung ano yung alam mo dyan, then keep growing. Okay? Page of Swords is about curiosity. Learning more. Adding new knowledge sa buhay mo. Keep on improving. 5 of Cups, move on, move forward. Merong mga regrets doon sa missed opportunities mo in the past, but it doesn't mean na hayaan mo nang ma-stuck yung sarili mo dyan. You still have your resources. You still have something to start. You know, ito, meron pa And this is for you to cultivate para mas mag-grow siya. Okay? So, nasa sa mga kamay mo yan if this is going to be successful for you in the future. So, that's why, move on, move forward. Kung ano man yung past, learn from it, and just focus on your direction. Let's see what else pa. You have spirit animal. In making decisions in your business or career, follow your gut and trust your instincts. Yes, your spirit animals are reaching out to you for guidance. So, use your instinct daw. And if there are some animals na madalas mong makita ngayon, kesa dati. Possible na yun ay spirit animal mo, and i-research mo what's the meaning of that. And then enterprise, so it's time to get into business. Ready ka na raw na mag-business. So kung iba sa inyo nag-iisip, magninegosyo ba kayo? Yes, it is time. Jealousy, being jealous of others people's achievement will only lead you to frustrations. Keep your eye on the prize. Focus on yourself. Possible rin na merong envious of your success ngayon. So, wag mo na lang silang pansinin. At mag-focus ka sa iyong mga goals. Okay? So, that is your reading, Leo. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan. Like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Leo. See you again.